Hello, MSc Biotechnology is 1-year full-time master's level course from Aberystwyth University. And here are the top reasons to opt for this course. Students who pursue this course are trained in handling and resolving the challenges of biotechnology alongside exploiting opportunities, demonstrating critical thinking and problem-solving skills with ease. One also becomes well versed in thinking about unique approaches which could be turned into viable businesses or a successful grant application. The Biotechnology MSc within the Institute of Biological, Environmental and Rural Sciences will shape you for a career in industrial or academic bioscience by guiding you with the fundamental skills, specialist knowledge and essential training in context to biotechnology. IBERS is the largest institute within Aberystwyth University and is home to 360 staff members, 1350 undergraduate students and more than 150 postgraduate students. It's internationally recognized for research excellence and strives to provide reliable solutions to global challenges in food security, sustainable bioenergy and climate change. In the National Student Satisfaction Survey 2016, it's recognized for excellent teaching, where 3 courses of Aberystwyth are appraised for 100% student satisfaction. 92% of IBERS graduates either choose to work full-time or wish to pursue further education after completing their course from Aberystwyth University. It hosts 2 national bioscience facilities, that is the National Plant Phenomics Center and Beacon Center of Excellence for Biorefining at an international level. IBERS was also rewarded with the National BPSRC Excellence with Impact Award in 2011 for its excellent economic and social research. Let's have a look at the key eligibility requirements for MSc Biotechnology from Aberystwyth University. Let me give you with some useful facts that will help you understand how MSc Biotechnology from Aberystwyth University has excellent career prospects. Alone in the UK, almost 16,000 candidates have been employed in this field who tend to generate £50 billion economic revenue annually. Biotechnology research and development jobs in Singapore have increased to 12,000 from 2000 to 2008. As per the IEEE Board of Directors, no other occupation has witnessed such massive job growth in decades, and employment of biotechnology engineers has grown by 72% from 2008 to 2018. Biotechnology engineers are in demand and it's the 3rd fastest growing occupation according to employment projections. In the USA, 1,12,000 people have been employed from 2009 to 2010, which exhibited an increase in employability by 5%. Hello, MSc Biotechnology from Aberystwyth University will definitely help you in learning worthy skills and all-round development. Let me share some interesting insights. MSc Biotechnology at IBERS provides multiple career opportunities in prominent biotechnology companies to the students. You will also be guided with specialized training in essential skills by the IBERS team. Course content is designed precisely so that students know all the breadth and specialism of skills which are required to grab a good job in this competitive generation. This postgraduate taught program comprises modules on frontiers in bioscience, current topics in biotechnology, research methods in the biosciences, biotechnology for business, crop biotechnology and bioconversion and biorefining that provide a strong foundation in key areas of biotechnology science to the students. Students also need to work on a dissertation module with a topic of their choice in biotechnology research, which would be in collaboration with external organizations. There are multi-dimensional benefits to study MSc Biotechnology from Aberystwyth University. Well, let me share some of them. This course has advanced career options for skilled biotechnology graduates and has been in demand both at the national and international levels. This course is intended to be highly in demand, and several leading biotechnology companies have now started prioritizing to hire fresh postgraduate candidates who have desirable skills for the applicable biotech job profiles. This field has gained immense popularity all across the globe and is rapidly becoming the favorite career pathway chosen by science students. UK Biotechnology and Biological Research Council have made bioenergy and biotechnology a strategic priority for science funding to highlight the employment criteria of this program. The core modules you're going to study in MSc Biotechnology from Aberystwyth University are dissertation, bioconversion and biorefining, biotechnology for business, crop biotechnology, current topics in biotechnology, frontiers in biosciences, research methods in biosciences. Looking for more details on this course, or if you're looking for an expert advice directly from the Aberystwyth University, log on to speaktouniversity.com and book an appointment with the university delegate. Follow the link in the description.